gratitude. Again, let's give her a round of applause.
Good day to our respected principal, Sir Ronald, school director, wonderful teachers, dear parents, special guests, and my fellow graduates. Today is a magical day for all of us. I feel so happy and proud to stand here as a kindergarten graduate, especially as I receive the highest honors. First, I want to say a big thank you to my teachers. Teacher Connie, Teacher Rachel, thank you for your patience, your smiles, and for teaching us to read, write, count, and be kind friends. You made every day exciting and fun, and you always believed in us. I will never forget your love and encouragement. To my family, thank you for your endless love. Lolo and Lola, I love you so much. You help me learn and grow, and your hugs make me happy when I feel sad. To my Tata Sandy and Tata Jamie, thank you for caring for me and making me laugh. And to my superhero, my mommy Justine, thank you for your hugs, for helping my homework, and for always cheering me on. Even when you're tired, you make me feel special and love every single day. I love you, Mommy, with all my heart. To my classmates and friends, thank you for all the fun, games, and memories. I will always remember our laughter and teamwork in class. Most of all, I thank God for blessing me with this achievement and for guiding me every day. Congratulations to all my fellow graduates. Let's keep dreaming big, working hard, and making our families proud. We are the hope and the bright future of our world. Once again, congratulations to us graduates. Thank you to Young Generation Academy for being the light on our journey. We did it! And I thank you.
Wow, alright, thank you, Anastasia Gale. Now, let's turn to our great